is the enemy of metal. Paint or chrome finishes help to prevent or slow it from starting, but rust will find a way if it can. These lug nuts have seen a lot of rain, snow, and road salt. Luckily though, the rust you see is just on the surface at this point, and serious pitting hasn't begun yet. These can be saved. A bottle of chrome polish is an obvious choice, but somewhere in the past I learned about using it with aluminum foil, and that makes a very big difference. The polish starts off white, but quickly takes on a brownish tint, which is the rust being removed. I've tried this with just paper towels, and it does an okay job, but the aluminum foil really works the best, at least for me. I can see a few spots where the metal is pitted, and no amount of polishing will fix that, but these look way better now. I've used this method on bicycle rims, the bumpers on my Datsun 210, even tools, really any kind of chromed metal. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.